Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make braised pork rib with pumpkin in black bean sauce using pressure pot. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Japanese pumpkin is a better choice for taste and texture. It's easier to cut if you steam the pumpkin for 15 minutes. Cut the pumpkin into 2-inch x 1-inch sections. Remove the seeds. Cut off the skin. Cut the pork ribs into 2-inch x 1-inch section. There's no need to chop the bone, so just cut along the edge of the bone. Approximately this big. Place pork ribs with cold water and bring it to boil to blanch the pork ribs. Rinse blanch pork ribs under cold water. Wash off the dirt and drain well. It's easier to use a teaspoon to peel off the skin of ginger. Slice ginger. Dice the shallots. Use flat blade of knife to smash the garlic to remove skin, then dice it. Soak black bean in water for 10 minutes. Measure cooking wine. Measure oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Mix together. We also have rock sugar. Wipe dry the black bean. And wipe dry the pork ribs. Press the Saute button on pressure pot, then add 1 tablespoon oil. Add pork ribs when the pot is hot. Pan fry each side of pork rib for 1 minute to brown. Add ginger slices and shallot. Saute. Add garlic and saute until fragrant. Add black bean and continue to saute. Add cooking wine. Add sauce and continue to saute. Add raw sugar and hot water and continue to saute. When the sauce boils, press off and secure the cover of pressure pot. Pressure cook for 10 minutes. Carefully release pressure and open the lid. Add pumpkin pieces, then press Saute button. Then add the glass lid to saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove lid, saute briefly to reduce the sauce, and scoop out now. Yummy braised pork rib with pumpkin in black bean sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!